Hello students, how are you all? So in today's class, we are going to learn some Vedic math tricks. Okay, so we are going to learn two tricks in today's class. So let's start with the first trick. So what is our first trick here? That if you have a two-digit number, then how to subtract 9 from that two-digit number. So here we have 15, right? Now we will say that 15 is very smaller number. So we can simply subtract with normal method. It is also very easy, right? But if you have a bigger number like 63, 92 or 74, then how will you subtract 9 very easily, right? So we will see that trick in today's class. So you have 15 number here, right? 15 two-digit number. Now the 5, this is your 1's digit, and 1, this is your 10's digit, right? So what is the Vedic math trick? It is very easy and very simple, that simply add 1 in your 1's digit, okay? So you will add 1 in 5 and subtract 1 from the 10's digit. So you will subtract 1 from 1. So here you will get your answer, that is 6, right? So very easy, correct? If you have any two-digit number, in 1's digit add 1 and in 10's digit subtract 1. So whatever you got, that is your answer. Let's try with one more example. So here you have 18, right? So again, write 18. So what is 1's digit here? 1's digit is 8 and 10's digit is 1, okay? So we will add 1 in our 1's digit. So we will add 1 here and we will subtract 1 from the 10's digit. So we will subtract 1 from here. Now what is the answer? The answer is 9, right? So very easy, right? Again, let's try one more example. Here we have 22, right? So again, we will write our digits. This is our 1's digit, 2 is our 1's digit here, and 2 is again our 10's digit here. So again, we will add 1 in our 1's digit and we will subtract 1 from the 10's digit. So the answer is 13, right? So this is the trick to subtract 9 from any two-digit number. Very simple. Just write your numbers, figure out what is 1's digit and what is 10's digit. Then in your 1's digit, add 1 in your 1's digit and subtract 1 from your 10's digit. So that is the trick to subtract 9 from any two-digit number. So what is second trick? So if you have any two-digit number, suppose you have here 45 and 34, right? So how to add these numbers very quickly? Again, how to add these numbers in mind only, okay? What is our first task? The first task is you will split your number into two parts. So here you have 45 and 34, right? So first we will split 45 in two parts. Basically, we will write the expanded form of our numbers. So here it is 40 and 5, right? Now, so you can do it in your mind, right? 45 you can split in your mind, that is 40 and 5. Now you have 34. So again, you will split this in two parts, that is 30 and 4, right? Now, after this, what will you do? Just simply add the first parts of your numbers, right? So we have split it into two parts. So we will add the first part of our numbers, that is 40 plus 30. So again, you can do it in your mind, right? 40 plus 30, that is 70. So here you have 70. Now you will add the second part of your numbers, that is 5 plus 4, that is 9. So here you have 5 plus 4, 9. Now simply add 70 plus 9. So that is your answer, 79, right? Very easy. Simply split your number into two parts, add the first parts, add the second parts, and then add the results. Okay, let's see one more example here. So we have 56 plus 23, okay? So again, we will split our number into two parts. So we know 56, what is the expanded form of 56? 50 plus 6, right? So we will write 50 and 6 here. Now after that, we have 23. So again, we will split it into two parts, that is 20 and 3. Now after this, we will add the first part of our numbers, that is 50 plus 20. Simply it is 60, right? And then we will add 6 plus 3, that is 9. Now just add the 60 plus 9, that is 69, right? So you got your answer, that is 69. So this is the second trick, right? Whenever you have any two-digit numbers, so just split the numbers into two parts, then add the first part and add second part and add the results. So you will get your answer. So this was the second trick we have discussed in today's class. So these were the tricks. So if you like this video, then join Sisya class for more such content. Thank you for watching.